Alright, here we go with another dryer vent cleaning. We could tell this vent was pretty dirty before we began, so we thought it'd be a good opportunity to show y'all a little bit about how we clean vents out. This particular dryer vent had a rectangular duct inside the wall running up to the top of the laundry room. The reason that builders do that a lot of time is just because it's a thinner wall and they can't use the 4-inch round corrugated duct. You can see lots and lots of lint coming out of this one. I think when it was all said and done, it had almost 6 gallons of lint. And it wasn't that long of a pipe, ran up to the first floor, first story roof. I want to say it was 18 to 20 feet. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 512-270-8388, or go online to atxdryervent.com. We'd be happy to help. Thanks.
Nothing all day, and we've been taking care of business every day. Taking care of business every way. We've been taking care of business. It's all mine. Taking care of business, and I've been working overtime. Work out. If you could make sounds loud or mellow, get a second-hand guitar, chances are you go far. If you get in with the right bunch of fellows, people see you having fun, just lying in the sun. Tell them that you like it this way. It's the work that we avoid, and we're all self-employed. We love to work at nothing all day, and we've been taking care of business every day. Every way we've been taking care of business. It's all mine. Taking care of business. We've been working overtime, piano man. Here's your moment. This is a pop festival. You are 20,000 people, and we want to hear you make some noise. Yeah. Taking care of business. Taking care of business. All right.